marching out of the parade ground. The JTF marching out of the parade ground. Being led by Jamilu Mohammed. The Sharif Guard organization also marching out of the parade ground. What a wonderful unity. Moha da kowa domin taya juna murna domin nuna ana tare. The JNI marching out. After we have another adjutant. We have the Munazzama marching out of the parade ground. We have the Catholic cadets marching out of the parade ground. We have the Royal Ambassador marching out of the parade ground. We have the Royal Rangers marching out of the parade ground. May I crave the indulgence of Pastor Yohana Buru to come and give us a wonderful prayer. Hallelujah.
Ibrahim